I'd like to talk to you about roll notation. And it's very, very simple. We use 3 slashes to indicate rolls. We use 3 slashes to indicate rolls on quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Once we get below the quarter note level, we use 2 slashes to equal a roll. And we use, on the 16th note, we use 1 slash. And you'll find an explanation for that on my webpage. In Europe, they use the trill sign to indicate rolls. The slashes actually mean 32nd notes. Our whole roll system is based on 32nd note rolls. And that's easy to see how that happened, because 32nd notes at 120 sound like a roll. And in America, in our pedagogical system, we got used to reading slashes instead of the trill sign. Now, the simplest way to learn how to count rolls is to start counting 16th notes from the beginning of the roll to the end of the roll. And we're going to double stroke each 16th note, or we will buzz each 16th note. Now, the names you learn in school, we learn rolls by the number of strokes. 5-stroke roll, 7-stroke roll, 9-stroke roll, 13-stroke roll, 15, 17. Now, what those really are the number of 32nd notes plus 1. Now, you really don't even need to know the names of those rolls if you can count. This first roll we normally call a 9-stroke roll. And this goes from beat 1 to beat 2. Now, if I count 1 E and a 2, I end on 2 with a single stroke, and I buzz each 16th note, I will be playing the correct roll. At normal tempo, it would be 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2. If I played it open, it would sound like 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2. Now my hands are just doing 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2. Now, I have here written the 16th notes. Now I call this the roll skeleton. So if we look inside this roll, we will see this skeleton. Then we'll see the 16th notes. Okay, so now each 16th note is going to be buzzed 1 E and 2 in a concert style roll, or it will be double stroked in the rudimental style roll. 1 E and 2, 1 E and 2. So now 9-stroke roll, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You don't need to know that it's a 9-stroke roll to play it correctly if you can count 1 E and a 2. This is a 17-stroke roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. We look inside this roll, we see the roll skeleton, all 16th notes. We merely play 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. We buzz all the 16th notes. We don't buzz the last note. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Open roll, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. Here's the 5-stroke roll. I've notated this at the end of a measure. I put a bar line there. So this goes and a 1. The roll starts on and, it ends on 1. And a 1. The skeleton of this roll are these two 16th notes. And a 1. 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 Open rolls. And a 1. And a 1. And a 1. So rolls are actually very, very simple. Well, I hope this simplifies the process of playing rolls. It's very, very logical. To recap, a roll is a smooth, sustained sound created by 2 sounds, a right sound and a left sound. If those sounds are not identical, then the roll can never sound smooth. Speeding up a roll that is not smooth at a slow tempo is not going to make the roll smooth. It's going to be uneven, only faster uneven. The basic sounds, the buzzes. Once you can get the buzzes to sound as nearly identical as possible, moving your hands at about this tempo will create an acceptable roll. Well, this is Dr. Sandy Schaefer from Chadron State College. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and hope you'll look forward to the next one.